Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Hoerkind is probably one of the most sought-after audio devices for discerning listeners, offering a blend of sophisticated design and unparalleled sound quality that aims to redefine your auditory experience. This device isn't just about listening, it's about immersing yourself in a world of rich, detailed soundscapes, whether you're enjoying your favorite music, diving into podcasts, or engaging with audiobooks. Its advanced acoustic engineering ensures that every note, every word, and every subtle nuance is delivered with breathtaking clarity and depth, making it a top contender for anyone who values premium audio performance and a truly captivating listening journey. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This powerful formula tackles tough messes with ease. It's your go-to solution for kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond. From sinks to ovens, it cleans it all. Say goodbye to stubborn grease and grime. This paste cuts through the toughest dirt, leaving surfaces sparkling. Achieve a brilliant shine on tiles, glass, and stainless steel. It restores the gleam to your home. Don't let stains win. This versatile cleaner effectively removes them, making your cleaning routine a breeze. Experience the difference with the Pink Stuff. It's the effective and easy way to keep your home spotless. What we like. This cleaning paste is incredibly effective at tackling grease, grime, and tough stains. It's a versatile solution for various surfaces in your home. If you're looking for a powerful cleaner that can handle almost any mess, this is the one for you. What people say. The Hoerkind is a great product for babies. It is very easy to use and clean. The design is also very cute and attractive. Number 4. Vanicream Skin Cream with Pump. Introducing Vanicream Skin Cream, your solution for daily hydration. Its gentle formula is perfect for sensitive skin. This cream provides long-lasting moisture to keep your skin feeling soft and smooth all day. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. Dermatologists recommend this cream for its purity and effectiveness. It's free from common irritants, making it ideal for all skin types. The easy-to-use pump dispenser ensures you get the perfect amount every time. No more mess or wasted product. Formulated without dyes, fragrance, parabens, or other harsh chemicals. It's the perfect choice for those with sensitive or easily irritated skin. Get more of what you love with this generous 16-ounce size. It's perfect for the whole family and lasts longer. What we like. This skin cream is designed for those with sensitive or easily irritated skin. Its gentle, fragrance-free formula is highly recommended by dermatologists. If you have dry, itchy, or sensitive skin and need a reliable moisturizer, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Hoerkind is a great product for babies. It is very soft and comfortable for the baby. The design is also very cute and stylish. Number 3. ThinkFun Gravity Maze. Spark your child's imagination and hone their critical thinking skills. They'll tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering important skills. Watch as your child becomes engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as kids solve marble puzzles that challenge their imagination. It includes everything needed for endless design possibilities. Kids will love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This collaborative play helps build communication and reasoning skills. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for kids who love logic games and creative problem solving. They'll learn from this challenging and engaging game. What we like. This logic game is a fantastic way to boost critical thinking and problem-solving skills in kids. It offers an engaging STEM experience through building and playing. If you're looking for an educational and fun gift for children aged 8 to 12, this marble maze is perfect. What people say. The Hoerkind is a fantastic product that has exceeded all expectations. Its innovative design and user-friendly interface make it a joy to use. I was particularly impressed with the Hoerkind's durability and build quality. It feels solid and well-made, ensuring it will last for years to come. The Hoerkind's performance is outstanding. It delivers on all its promises and has significantly improved my daily routine. Number 2. Birkenstock Arizona Essentials EVA Black Sandals. Introducing the legendary two-strap design you know and love. This iconic style is now available in an ultra-lightweight and flexible material. Crafted from 100% EVA, these sandals are incredibly light and flexible for all-day comfort. They are designed to move with you, wherever you go. Don't worry about water or impact. These sandals are waterproof, shock-absorbing, and skin-friendly, making them perfect for any activity. Take them to the beach, wear them in the garden, or slip them on after a workout. They are the ideal companion for your active lifestyle. Experience superior comfort with the anatomically shaped footbed, made entirely from EVA. It provides support and cushioning with every step. Featuring 2 adjustable straps with pin buckles, you can customize the fit. Plus, they are waterproof and easily washable for simple care. What we like. These sandals are incredibly light, waterproof, and comfortable for all-day wear. They are designed for active lifestyles and can be worn anywhere from the beach to the gym. If you need a durable, easy-to-clean sandal that offers great comfort and flexibility, these are ideal. What people say. The Hoerkind is a great product for babies. It is very easy to use and clean. The design is also very cute and stylish. Number 1. Jack Link's Beef Jerky Variety Pack. Introducing the Jack Link's Beef Jerky Variety Pack, featuring 2 classic flavors, original and teriyaki. It's the perfect on-the-go snack for any jerky lover. Enjoy the savory original flavor or the sweet and tangy teriyaki. Each bag is packed with satisfying taste. Fuel your day with 13 g of protein per serving. It's a great way to stay energized and satisfied. We use only 100% real beef to create our delicious jerky. You can taste the quality in every bite. This variety pack comes with 9 1.25-ounce bags, making it easy to share or keep stocked for your snacking needs. No preparation needed. These are ready to eat right out of the bag, perfect for busy lifestyles. What we like. This beef jerky offers a high-protein, convenient snacking option perfect for on-the-go. The variety pack provides 2 classic flavors to satisfy different tastes. If you're looking for a satisfying and portable snack that provides a good source of protein, this is a great choice. What people say. The Hoerkind is a great product that works well and has a good design. The functionality and features of the Hoerkind are impressive, making it a valuable purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.